Money dispute leaves 72-year-old man dead in St. Thomas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Thomas police are probing the death of an elderly man who was reportedly wounded by a relative during a physical dispute between the two of them over a sum of money that was reportedly stolen in Newlands in the parish on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 72-year-old Raphael Simit, otherwise called Daddy, a fisherman of Newlands in Golden Grove area of St. Thomas. Reports from the Golden Grove police are that about 5:45 p.m. on Friday, Simit allegedly attacked and wounded a relative who he accused of having stolen a sum of money from him. A tussle ensued between both men, during which the relative reportedly used a stone to hit Simit on his head. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, Simit was found lying motionless on the ground. Both men were taken to hospital where Simit was pronounced dead and the relative admitted for treatment. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.